Welcome to designersworldcbe.com. Today we are going to see how to install Creo 7. We are going to set up file of Creo 7, and if you see there is a two files, one is ISO and another one is crack. We have to mount that .iso by using Power ISO, and I am mounting it. Then go to my computer and you will see in virtual drive there is a Creo 7.0, and before you running the setup we have to fix the crack. So check it out. In going to crack, you can extract it by right clicking. I have already done. You just go inside the crack folder, and there is PTC license Windows 2020. You just go in and fill license which you have to run as in administrator. Yes, and it will generate one file, and you have to click one button and you have to copy that key, and I'm just putting in, you have to paste it in C drive, and I just created for this as a license LIC, so I just replacing it. And now I'm just going to run the setup from which previously shown. See, it comes like this, and we have to select install new software, and I accept. And is checking license, and this is the license bar where we have to set. If you check, browse the license file, and we will want to go to C drive, and I have placed the license key as a new folder lice dot, and I just import it, and it takes some 1.5 seconds, and it will show the status it is available. Then go to next. Just I am enabling all the features.
Okay, and next I selecting all the features required for me except the language, because I need English alone. So I'm just going for all the parameters, Creo parametric, and checking. Now I'm going to simulate and enabling Creo simulation, which will be helpful for you in simulating that models. And in direct also I'm selecting all the options, and in Creo option model also I'm just selecting it, and selecting next, and it may take around 30 to 1 hour based on the system performance. So I'm just pausing the video.
The installation has been completed. Now you see all the things, and we have to click exit, and we have to go for the setup file back, and if you see there crack, and if you go there you have to copy the Creo 7.0 and you have to paste in. Go to my computer and select C drive and go for program files and go for PTC, and you can paste there generally, and you have to continue. And another one, solid squad loader to be copied, and you have to paste there, and just right click and merge it, and it asks for yes or no. You have to give yes, and and we have to select yes. See, the registry has been completed. Now we have to restart the system. The restart has been completed, and I will just go and all programs, Windows 7 and all programs. I will go to PTC and run Creo Parametric 7.0. And it takes some time to load on initial setup, initial opening. Okay. See, it will ask for some Windows firewall. You just select allow access and allow access, and see, it's a Creo Parametric. It is a new version. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.